Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is May and today I'm gonna be sharing another item with you that I got from online. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified on my next video. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So I will share the actual unboxing with you guys. So here it is. By the way guys, I got this item. I saw this from Amy Sultan. By the way, Amy Sultan made me buy it. So I watched her video a couple of times to make sure that I got the right item. So I even chat with her. I asked her about this item. So guys, here it is. This is my first Hermès piece. And I ordered it from a stance, as you saw from the short clip. So let's unbox. So it came with a perfume sample. Okay. By the way guys, I'm old school. My everyday scent is Johnson's Baby cologne. I use that every day. And then whenever I have a special occasion, I wear Eclat from Lanvin. That's my favorite scent. And then I also have the CK. And before, I used to collect Paris Hilton perfumes. So here is the Le Jardin de Monsieur Lee. So Le Jardin de Monsieur. So here it is, perfume sample. And then guys, this is what I got. So let's try to unbox. This is the Tuiles de Hermès. You ginger. I thought it will come without this paper bag, but they included the paper bag, so it's nice. So cute. Oh my god, it smells good. See? Huh? Super super good. It smells so good. So guys, here is the Hermès Twilly. I love the shape of the bottle and the so is this the Twilly? So cute. Okay guys, that's it. This is my first Hermès, and I will maybe I will add Hermès in my future collections. Not Kelly, not Birkin, but maybe small items like this. So excited. Super. Love the smell. Okay guys, that's it. And Amy, if you're watching, thank you for sharing this scent, this Hermès perfume. And yeah, that's it. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.